Industrial concrete floors nowadays face great challenges to be able to maintain the volume of production and the movement of merchandise in their facilities. For this, it is essential to have a floor surface prepared to support the traffic of people, heavy machinery, and to be practical for busy working environments. Concrete floors constantly suffer from wear caused by the vast volume of movement from large and heavy machines. This is a significant problem as it generates silica dust that is detrimental to the health of the workers. Not only that, it also harms and damages stock. A treatment of the BECOSAN system will solve all of these issues. BECOSAN hardens and seals the surface. This will prevent the generation of dust and stop the floor from wearing. In addition, BECOSAN also reduces the absorption of liquids into the surface, protecting it from chemicals, oils, or grease. This will facilitate the cleaning of the surface and will reduce maintenance costs dramatically. BECOSAN occupies a number of certifications that deal with different types of industrial activities. For more information, visit us at becosan.com.